In today's video, I'm going to show you iMPlayer review. Meet iMPlayer, a media player for IPTV style playlists, M3U files, extreme codes, and supported sources. Important note, iMPlayer says it is strictly a player and does not provide channels, playlists, or IPTV service. Translation: it gives you the plate, not the food. Bring your own legal content, chef.
Damn!
On paper, iMPlayer comes packed. The App Store listing mentions catch-up support, VOD support, full EPG guide support, and a cable-like viewing experience. Google Play describes the TV version as a modern media player built for flexible, customizable watching across devices. Basically, it wants to turn your Android TV, phone, or Apple device into a premium TV dashboard instead of a menu maze from 2009. Now, user reviews are mostly positive, especially for the mobile version. AppAg tracks the Android mobile app around 4.5 stars with over 10,000 Google Play votes, while AppRange shows it downloaded hundreds of thousands of times and rated around the mid 4-star range. Some App Store users also praise the clean design, easy navigation, and solid performance. So yes, when it works, people seem pretty happy, like, finally, my TV app doesn't look like a tax form happy. But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't perfect. Google Play reviews mention the TV app can feel clunky on Fire TV, and Reddit comparisons with TV Mate are divided. Some users love iMPlayer's advanced options and cloud-style features, while others say TV Mate feels easier, cheaper, or more stable. So iMPlayer is powerful, but it can also make beginners stare at settings like they accidentally opened NASA Control. Final verdict, iMPlayer is a strong pick if you want a feature-rich IPTV player with modern design, playlists, EPG, VOD, and customization. But it is not Magic Cable, and it does not include content. Use legal sources, test the free version first, and only upgrade if the interface does not make your remote control file a complaint. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.